Hello everyone, welcome to Saasyto, a WhatsApp marketing platform specially designed to help you connect with your customers directly. Well, the process is quite simple. You will see the WhatsApp Manager option on the left side of the website screen. Click on that. Now click on Add Account. Scan the QR code and that's it. In most cases, it takes only a few seconds, but in some exceptional cases, it may take up to 60 seconds also. So don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Once your WhatsApp is linked, you can start sending the messages. For this, you need to click on WhatsApp Manager on the left side of your system. Then click on Create Campaign and then click on New Campaign. A portal like this will open in front of you. Now, first you need to select the WhatsApp accounts. Here you will see all the WhatsApp numbers that you have scanned. Now you need to decide whether you want to send the message from just one number or from multiple numbers, and accordingly select those numbers. In case you select multiple numbers, your messages will go in account rotation. For example, if you run a campaign using 3 WhatsApp accounts, your first message will go from WhatsApp account 1 and the second message from WhatsApp account 2 and the third message from WhatsApp account 3. After that, when the fourth message goes out, it will again go from WhatsApp account 1. Next, you need to give your campaign a name. This is only for your own reference. The receivers of your messages won't see this name. After that, you need to select a contact group. Let's see how to create a contact group. On your left side, there will be an option Create Contacts. Click on that. Then click on the plus sign. Enter the name of your contact group and click on Submit. After creating the contact group, it will appear like this. Now click on the list icon and then click on Import. Here you can import contacts in 2 ways. First, by uploading a CSV file, and second, by pasting the numbers directly. Just make sure to include the country code before each number. For India, it's 91. For example, this is my Excel sheet. I copied the contacts from here and simply pasted them here. After this, your contact group will appear in Create Campaign. Next you need to select is your media file. You can upload it directly from your system or even from Google Drive. After that, you need to write your message in the caption box here. If you wish, you can click on Save Caption to save it. The next time you need this caption, you can click on Get Caption to select it. After that, when you scroll down, you will see the time post option. If you want to run the campaign immediately, you don't need to do anything here. But if you want to schedule the campaign for a future time and date, you can click here and then select the specified date and the time. Isn't that amazing? Next is the random message interval. Before understanding how this feature works, let us understand what this feature actually is. Basically, if many messages are sent quickly from one number, WhatsApp might detect it as spam. Therefore, we provide you with the random message interval feature. With this, you can decide the minimum and maximum duration between one message and the next after it. For example, I ran a campaign where I selected a minimum of 30 seconds and a maximum of 60 seconds. Now, there will be a gap of 30 to 60 seconds between my messages. You can set this interval as per your reference, but to stay on the safer side, we suggest keep at least a 90-second gap between each message. Therefore, you can select a minimum of 60 seconds and a maximum of 90 seconds. After following all these steps, you can activate your campaign. Just in case you have run a campaign, for example, to set messages to 100 people and 50 people have already received your message. Now, if you need to make changes to your own campaign or even stop it altogether, you have those options available as well. This means you can edit or even stop your running campaign anytime you want. Now, if you want to view the report of your campaign, then you can download it from here.